In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in AutoCAD DText. Quick annotation tips. If you're working with single line annotations, DText is a fast and precise way to keep your drawings clear and professional. Let's walk through how to edit the content and fine-tune the appearance so your notes are easy to read and properly placed. Start by selecting the text you want to edit. Click once on the text object in your drawing. You'll see it highlight and the properties panel should appear so you can review and adjust its settings. This panel is your hub for controlling how the text looks and behaves in the drawing. To change what the text says, simply double-click the text. An in-place editor opens right where the text sits. Type your new content, and when you're finished, press Enter to confirm the change. Because DText is single line, keep each note concise. If you need a paragraph, that's typically a separate workflow, but for quick labels and callouts, DText is perfect. With the text still selected, look at the Properties panel to adjust key attributes. Text height controls the size, increase it for overall visibility, or reduce it to fit tight spaces. Aim for consistent heights across your drawing so annotations read uniformly. Rotation changes the angle in degrees. A small rotation can align a label with a sloped element, and positive angles rotate counterclockwise. Justification sets how the text anchors to its insertion point, left, center, right, top, or bottom. Changing justification affects how the text repositions, so choose the option that aligns best with your layout or dimension lines. Color determines how the text appears on screen and in print. Using by layer is a good practice when you want plotting to be controlled by your layer standards, but you can assign a specific color if you need extra emphasis. Finally, assign the layer so your text is organized with the rest of your annotations. Keeping text on a dedicated annotation layer makes it easier to manage visibility, line weights, and plotting. When the content and appearance are set, position your text precisely. With the text selected, you can move or rotate it to fine-tune the placement. Snap to relevant geometry for clean alignment, and rotate if you need the label to follow a feature's direction. Small adjustments here go a long way toward clarity. That's it. Select, edit, refine properties, and position confidently. Make these quick tweaks part of your routine, and your drawings will be cleaner, more readable, and easier to manage.